Hi, this is Dr. Praveen Bonde. I am practicing in Nasik. I have passed out from Government Dental College in 1996, and from 20 years I am practicing Nasik. I am doing a lot of cosmetic work, aesthetic work, implant work. But when I used to do the work, there was no predictability. I used to give a lot of patients, a lot of smiles, but after completing the smile, I used to find something that here should be, I should do some gingectomy or crown leaning. Here the angle should be like that. But after giving the smile, you cannot correct. And if you want to correct, you have to go again from ABCD. So for coming here, I actually come to know that what is a digital smile designing. The main thing, the main word I can produce for this course and for this technology is the predictability. What we show to the patient, you can deliver the same to the patient. And in 20 years of time, I just come to know the course before a few months, and I was about to register for the course, but it become houseful. Then I have to come for the second part of it. But I am very happy that I am taking out some points now. From tomorrow onwards, my horizons and my thinking will be changed. I can practice properly in the digital era, and I can just give justice to my patients who are highly demanding. And the knowledge of Dr. Aslam is very good. He has done a lot of hard work. All the staff here is very cooperative and very kind. The ambience is very good, and I suggest that everybody should. When I used to see the cases on the Facebook from foreign dentists, the level they were working and level we are working were totally different. And now I can surely say that we can go up to the mark with the help of this. So I recommend all dentists, you should learn the digital dentistry, digital smile designing, and prosper our profession and go to the next level.